is you need to have a solid billing strategy. Now, you should not be handling billing with dental sleep medicine in your office unless you are closing a minimum of 7 to 10 cases per month. You will not be able to justify the payroll. There's just too much time where billers spend on the phone, on hold for hours and hours and hours with insurance companies and moving things through that process. It's a big old wooden ship that's really difficult to steer. You want to outsource that to a third party. Once you have all 4 of those things established, screening, testing, clinical, and billing, then you can start marketing to the general public. And that's when a system like Dental Sleep Profits comes in place. The reason you want to have those 4 things in place is because with a system like ours, you're going to be getting 50 to 80 consultation requests per month. And your staff has to follow up with most of those people. Not every single one of them is going to call the office immediately after requesting a consultation. You're going to have to do some legwork. So if you don't have those systems in place to move people through your workflow seamlessly, not always seamlessly, but without too many hitches, then you guys are going to have a really, really difficult time handling patients at scale. So